What's going on, guys? This is Rohin. You are watching All About Tech, and in this video I'm going to review the Beats Original One headphones. This is the Original One headphones, and in this video I'm going to review the Beats headphones. So guys, without wasting time, let's review the Beats headphones. So let's start it. This is the headphones I am talking about, guys. This is the Beats headphones, the original one. I always say the original one because if you are going to buy these headphones, then you'll always see there are so many clones of the headphones. The first copy, second copy, third copy, so many copies, but the original one is the original one. So guys, it is so nice, the adjustable ears and the cushion, which is very nice, because guys sometimes it is so harsh to wear the headphones because they don't have a cushions as well. In the Bose headphones they don't have they didn't give the cushions. So this is so nice, and the jack, which is compatible with every smartphone, I can say, or every phone, every ipad. So 3.5 jack we are getting, and the quality of the headphones is very nice, and even you can increase the length of the headphones if it is small for you. So guys, it is a basic thing which we get with every headphones, to increase the length of the headphones. And guys, it is foldable, guys, which is a great thing because we didn't get with every headphones. So it is stylish, good quality, and the wire which I'm talking about is so good quality of wire they used to make it, and the plastic as well. So guys, this is the main thing and the major thing in the headphones, because you always break the wire and then it going to be waste. So guys, if it is wired headphones, then the wire is good. You always prefer the good quality of wire if you're going to buy the wired headphones. So this is a nice headphones. I personally love the headphones as well as the stylish headphones it is. So guys, this is what I'm talking about the headphones. Hope you like the video. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment for another video of your choice, and follow us on Twitter at channel Rohin. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.